to keep your temper under control. Last, 'cause then forevermore, if your heart goes in a spin, the big hand at your core will pop out of your skin. Your brains explode and your cuckoo clock heart grind to a halt for good.
Aboard for the ground floor of the mountain, the great escape from the catacomb.
It's your birthday after all.
I don't want you to be missing a memory.
Go on, it's a present. I can spare it no.
Not so fast, you minor miracle. You're a fragile little piece of work.
I know.
And rule number 3 is when you don't know, and by far the most important, whatever else you do, you must never, ever fall in love. That's why I'm so scared about taking you into town.
We done?
Let me clasp you close to me, or rip your clothes with my teeth and tear them into confetti, to scatter as we kiss.
Confetti.
On you and me.
There's one thing I must confess, of 5 senses my hearing's best. I'll never recognize you by relying on my eyes.
Do you often sprout Italian ice cream cones?
Anyone have snacked on spaghetti after midnight?
Jack! No, not this. Oh, please, God. What have you done to him? Just like that, bang! Pushing up Daisy.
Run.
Roll in the fog. Rattle.
Do you really want a magician on the verge of a complete nervous breakdown as a companion for your quest for love?
I'd love to travel with a magician on the verge of a nervous breakdown.
Hey, bestie. What are you doing? Who are you?
The ultimate seduction is when you give the illusion of not even trying to seduce her.
Hey! Hola! Slay! Slay!
I was tying my laces against your door when it fell open and I landed on your couch.
Do you often tie your laces just outside a girl's door when she's getting changed?
No, not very often.
And where do you usually land? Do you stumble in her bed or the shower first? I'm pretty sure I recognize you.
Recognize me?
What would that be?
A bouquet of glasses.
That's wonderful. So you're the new frightener?
Exactly. I'm the new frightening man. That's me.